Hello, this video shows my fix for a water leak only for the Hamilton Beach model 46203 coffee maker. Anything you do to repair or modify your own coffee maker is your responsibility. Coffee makers normally are a sealed system with a tank, a one-way valve, and a heated tube that steam pressure pumps water up to the coffee. But this unit also has a slide-in tank connector. To investigate, I removed 8 screws and 2 screws for the base seal and found out that all hoses had clamps and there were no obvious signs of leaking areas. I could not see any issues with the base seal or the one-way valve. Since the tank to base seal is only a slide-in seal, this is probably the leaking area. If the one-way valve became weak or faulty with age, that could also add to this problem. I fixed my unit by pushing an O-ring on the drain of the water tank, which provides a seal to the tank and a little pressure to the top of the base seal. Carefully measure and purchase the exact thin O-rings as described in the picture. I also discovered that putting an O-ring in the groove of the base seal will also stop the leaking. But this lower O-ring may shift or come out when the tank is removed. So each time the tank is put back on, this lower seal must be verified that it's in the correct position, or it may cause a leak. My coffee maker did not leak for 2 months using only the tank O-ring, but it started leaking again, so now I'm also using the lower seal. I really don't know how long this O-ring fix will last. If you see a better fix or know of parts availability, please post that info. Good luck with your coffee maker.